The house t-shirt.
Ah, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff.
That's right. That's right.
That's
Now,
great, you know.
what's your names?
Sarah,
Chris.
Chris,
And Hannah.
and Hannah.
Nice meeting you.
So, Chris, I see you got your wand out. Do you have a favorite charm or spell? Whoa! You can't say that at Polite Company. Was that the Slytherin who said that?
No, it was not.
Hufflepuff. We expect better from you, Hufflepuff.
No.
Hey, Chris, you know what's a good spell that's going to give you a lot of opportunity?
What's that?
Aloha Mora. Yeah, sure opens a lot of doors. Hey, no offense, doors.
Now, which one do you? Now, what kind of one do you have?
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's an elder one, right?
The elder one.
Elder one.
Oh, from like the Deathly Hallows. You know? So people think that's real.
Oh, yeah, no.
Can you
I never
imagine?
believed it.
I've never in all my years seen an invisibility cloak. Never seen one.
Never seen one. And what about you? What kind of one do you have?
I stole this from Darius last, so.
Oh, no?
You
wow.
stole another wizard's wand.
wow.
She stole a wand. Show your Hufflepuff. She stole a wand.
She was not working enough
Yeah,
to do it.
they-
Yeah.
I'm starting to think this is not our true Hufflepuff over here.
She might not be. She might be a Slytherin, actually. I'll tell you what, we'd love to get a photo with all of them. Do you think we can do